Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best heavy-duty dog paw repair cream on the market. But here's the twist. It's actually made for humans. The product in the spotlight is the PAW PAW Papaya Cream 300 ml. And although it's not designed for dogs, the powerful formulation behind it gives some serious skin repair potential, making it a go-to choice for people dealing with dry, cracked, or damaged skin. Let's explore what this cream has to offer, why it's getting attention, and whether it lives up to its claims. Straight out of the box, the PAW PAW Papaya Cream comes in a 300 ml or 10.1 ounces tub. It's fairly compact, lightweight, and easy to hold with a secure lid, which makes it convenient for everyday use or travel. The label clearly emphasizes its key ingredient, papaya, and sets the tone for a product that's focused on hydration, nourishment, and skin tone correction. At the heart of this cream is papaya extract, known for its enzymatic exfoliation and brightening properties. It contains papain, a natural enzyme that helps slough off dead skin cells, reduce dullness, and even out skin tone. Combined with hydrating agents, this cream works to soften rough patches, reduce the appearance of dark spots and blemishes, and improve overall texture. The formula is also antibacterial, making it a smart option for areas prone to minor irritation or uneven tone. And since it's suitable for all skin types, you don't have to worry whether your skin is oily, dry, or sensitive. This cream adapts gently while still being effective. Now let's talk about how it feels. The texture is smooth and creamy but not overly thick. It spreads easily, absorbs quickly, and most importantly, it's non-greasy. That's a major win, especially for people who want something they can apply during the day without feeling sticky. It's lightweight enough for daily use but still rich enough to handle stubborn dry areas like elbows, knees, or even cracked hands and feet. Many users are also applying it to their hands post-washing or sanitizing. And some even use it as a hand cream throughout the day because of how quickly it absorbs. Using the PAW PAW Papaya Cream consistently can deliver noticeable results in just a few days. It hydrates deeply, reduces flakiness, and brings back that natural glow, especially if your skin has been looking dull or uneven. It's not just a moisturizer, it's like a reset for tired, stressed skin. It's particularly useful for people dealing with pigmentation, dark spots, or areas of discoloration. Whether you're treating sun damage or just looking to brighten your skin tone naturally, this cream has the potential to become a staple in your routine. If you're someone who battles dry or uneven skin, if you spend a lot of time outdoors, or if you're simply looking for a budget-friendly yet effective skincare product, this cream is a great choice. It's also a smart addition for those who want a multi-purpose body cream. One that can be used on hands, feet, arms, and more without switching products. Keep in mind, though, this isn't marketed as a pet product, even though the name may suggest otherwise. So don't use it on your dog's paws. But if you've got human skin that needs TLC, you're absolutely in the right place. To wrap up, the PAW PAW Papaya Cream 300 ml delivers on its promise: moisturized, radiant, and more even-toned skin. It's simple, affordable, and effective, and for that reason, it earns a solid spot on our shelf. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you've tried this product or have questions about it, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest reviews like this one. See you in the next video.